3 reasons why we never get started. Namaste guys, my name is Poonam. I am a speaker, mentor and a coach. And today I am going to share the 3 main blocks that stops us from achieving that dream life, from approaching that dream girl or guy, from launching that business idea, just about anything in life. So a lot of times we go to these motivational events, we listen to these motivational speakers, we listen to these motivational videos, we get inspired so much, there's so much energy inside us that we declare that we would do something the very next day. But how often does the next day come? When we sit with our friends, we talk about ideas, we do so much planning. But how many times does that business idea actually happen in a 3D world? When we like that guy, that girl, we think about approaching them, but we wait for the right time. How many times does that right time come? And we need to understand why does it happen. So the first block is fear of unknown. The moment I will launch my business, the moment I will post something on social media, the moment I will approach that girl or guy, the moment I will start the video, the moment I will start my YouTube channel, what if somebody hates me? What if people do not like me? What if the guy or the girl says no? What if my business fails? What if there's somebody who comments negative on my video, on my post? What if somebody calls me a scam? There are so many what ifs that can go wrong. We never ever think about what if something goes right? What if that business booms? What if people start liking you? What if you impact somebody's life? What if the girl or guy says yes to you? Did you know, as human, we are born with 2 natural fears. First is the fear of falling from heights, and second is the fear of loud noises. Rest anything and everything that I spoke about is manufactured here. And that reminds me of this beautiful scene from a Bollywood movie. The girl says, I have this vintage car. Guy says, why do you never take it out? So the girl says, I will take it out on the day when all the lights are green. So the guy beautifully replies, until and unless you take that car out, how would you know if all the signals are green? How would you come to know? Second one is the perfectionist mindset. Perfection is an illusion, and in a moment I'll explain you how. So a lot of times we think about the right time, we think about the perfect business plan, we think about the perfect resources, we think about being so much confident that everybody should like us, knowing everything that nobody can beat us, and we can handle the criticism, and we can just take on the world. And I would like to explain it to you with a beautiful example that my master shared with me. Imagine if Steve Jobs would have thought about perfection. Then iPhone would have never happened. If he wouldn't have launched iPhone 1, iPhone 2, iPhone 11 Pro would have never ever happened. So what did they do? They launched one model. They saw how the customers were reacting to it. They changed that in the second model. Then they again saw what was extra that needed to be added in that. They made those additions. So once they got started, they kept on improving. All they did was improvement. So perfection is a perfect illusion. Had that been the case, there would have been no human formed from AIDS. The evolution would have never happened. And the third and the most misunderstood block is being vulnerable. And what do I mean by that? So a lot of times we think, how can I not know everything about it and go out in the public? How can I not know all about business and yet get started with a business? How can I not know about everything that's happening around the world and still starting with something? But what we need to understand is our vulnerability is our strength. When people see you failing, people see you falling and getting up again, they can relate with you. And they instantly feel that connect. Why do you think there are so many followers of these big people? Because everybody started as a beginner. Everyone has had their ups and downs, and that's why it makes them human, and that's why we can connect with them, we can relate with them. In this process, we will get a lot of haters. We will get a lot of people who would not agree to how we have to go about things. But what we need to focus on, what is good that's happening in the situation, not what is not happening in the situation. So that's pretty much that I wanted to talk about. I hope you got something out of this video. I hope I inspired someone to make the next day as the actual day of getting started with something. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, heart the video, and follow me for more and more on Instagram, because this year I am dedicated to serve you with daily dose of inspiration. Namaste.